I'm recording. What even is this, honestly? Personally, I think this is a really cool idea to do. I have to admit.
Afternoon, how y'all doing today?
Pretty good.
Good.
Good, all right. Well, welcome to our little recreation of the town of Paspay, which is the closest Powhatan settlement to the original Jamestown where the English set up over on there.
Wow.
Although they weren't really, I suppose.
This is really cool.
Yeah, thanks. Well, also you should consider that Paspay was a little bit bigger than what we've been able to reproduce here, according to the archaeology done at the site. It was more like 30 or 40 of these Yahakins, which is what the Powhatan call their little structures, their single-family homes like we live in today.
Wow. I actually learned about this in history in 6th grade before.
Yeah, a lot of folks do about that age. So
Yeah.
anyhow, y'all are welcome to wander around and explore. If you got any questions, come find one of us.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a question, if it's okay. Are we allowed to do like the activities that the Powhatans did before?
Well, some of our interpreters are out there working on stuff. If you ask them, I'm sure that most of, if not all of them, will have something that y'all can try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was just curious. I'm honestly curious about doing that.
Nope. I always ask questions.
Wow, look at that farm.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I think so.
The thing about this is just so cool. I mean, look at the sunflowers. Things. I'm honestly amazed that they were able to do this. Like, how?
That they weren't able to do this?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Honestly, the recreation of the Powhatans, the town,
Yeah.
it just looks awesome, honestly.
Yeah. You still videoing?
Yeah.
Let's go this way before we go that way.
Alright. Well, it says that way is closed.
I mean that way.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I went in like one of these to check it out.
Can we go in it?
I think we can. That looks kind of small. Oh boy. Whoa. Look at the fire pit. So then someone dropped a popsicle stick in it. Holy crap. I'm so glad I'm videoing this because then no one would have ever known about this.
It's a
Oh gosh.
amazing discovery we found.
Yeah. Look at the antlers. Look at these antlers. Like the bone of them.
Nobody would know. I mean, who's going after?
Bro. Just stop it.
You can't. I can't.
Sometimes I overwhelm my family.
Sometimes you overwhelm us. Yeah. I can tell you this right now, Mason. We're not short on laughter this weekend.
You guys still have a lot of laughter. There's smoke coming from that one. Let's head in this one. We haven't been in this one yet. You go first. Oh boy, this is small. Oh my gosh. I don't understand how they're able. I don't understand how they're able. I don't understand how they're able to fit through that. That's my only thing about this. Hang on, let me turn on a light. I don't even know how they're even able to do that.
I can't see you.
I can't wear my back. I can't wear them. You cannot do that. That's why I was pointing. Watch this. That's why I can do it. Watch this. I can do it better.
There's no way you can. You still hit it. Watch this. Whoop. Wow, this is so cool. Look at this. This stuff. Wow. Oh, wow. This is sick. With a big tree.
That shirt is never going to be white again.
Isn't this like what they use to like travel across rivers? Oh, so wait, I dare you to get in it.
No.
I know, I'm just joking. But still, that's so cool. How? It's like how? Wait, so this is like where they cook like chicken.
Mason, get over. Come on.
Get over here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so cool.
One on each side.
Alright. Alright. Hold on. Isn't this like what they used for like target practice?
It's dried that way. It's dried.
They've got it sort of stretched.
Oh.
They cured it with that deer brain and something else, and then they used it to stretch it to make it softer because they wore it.
Wow. That's honestly really cool. You guys want to head to ships
Yeah.
/ James Blunt?
That's what I want to see.
Alright, let's head over there. There's a little path that takes us. Do you think like there'll be a river or ocean that'll be here or no?
So there's nothing to do with it.
Mm.
What do you call it?
I don't know.
A river that dumps into the ocean.
Okay, I gotta admit.
You call that,
River dumping into the ocean?
what do you call that,
River dumping into the ocean?
there's a term for it specifically, but I can't think of it. Alright, stop the video for now.